Okay, moving on to question 7. If it costs 200, so this is cost over an area. So the cost is 200 to sting a deck measuring 4 by 5. So 4 times 5 is just 20. So to sting a deck of card that has an area of 20, how much would it cost to sting a deck that is 5 by 7? So 5 times 7 is 35. We can let that cost be x. Well, this one is easily simplified. 200 divided by 20 is just 10. And then I can just cross multiply to get x equals to 350. So therefore, the cost will be $350. Question 8. Painting measuring 120 by 80 is mounted on a picture frame. Leaves a margin of 6 cm wide at the top and each side of the painting. If the painting is similar to the frame, what must be the width of the margin at the bottom of the painting? So we have a painting is 80. Well, it's 120 wide and 80 centimeter tall. It is being mounted on a picture frame. So maybe I'll draw the picture frame in pink. So here's the picture frame. Leaves a margin of 6 at the top and each side of the painting. Okay. So that is 6 and each side is also 6. So maybe I'll write the 120 and 80 inside. 120 and 80 at the bottom of the painting. So that's the one we don't know. Well, that's 120 plus 6 plus 6, so that is 132. This is 80 plus 6 plus x, so that's x plus 86. Yeah. So, would that be possible? Let me see. I'm just trying to figure out which one is the corresponding side. We were told that they're similar. Yeah. Okay, we can try. Let's try. Let's try x plus 86 over. I'm going to let that be the width. So I'm going to divide that over 120. Should be proportional to. The bigger one is 132 over 80. So let's try if this will work. Otherwise, it's very difficult to make it work. If I also let this be the width and this be the height, I'm afraid it won't work. So that's why I'm letting this be the width and this be the height of the frame. So I can simplify first. X plus 86 over 120 equals to, I can divide both of them by 4, I think. Yeah, I get 33 over 20, and then now I cross multiply. So 20 bracket x plus 86 equals to 33 times 120, 20x plus 20 times 86 is 1720 equals to 33 times 120, which is 3960. So 20x equals to 3960 minus 1720. 20x equals 2240, and then just divide both sides by 20. We get x equals 112. But that's a really large margin. So that's one way to do it. I'm going to try the other way as well. So the other way is just x plus 86. So that's the height divided by the height of the picture frame equals to 132, which is the width of the frame divided by the width of the picture. So x plus 86 over 80 equals to, so again, I'm just going to simplify the fraction first. I should get 11 over 10. And then I cross multiply. We get 10x plus 860 equals to 880. So 10x equals to 20 and x equals to 2. Yeah, this is a more reasonable answer. I'm going to reject this one. The margin is too big in that case. So a margin of 2 would make a lot more sense. Okay, so therefore the margin at the bottom is 2 centimeter. Okay, the last one is question 9. A yard is 30 meters long and 5 meters wide. So 30 and 5. With a mast 18 meters high. So this is a 3-dimensional shape. I'll try my best to draw this. So scale metal that is made is 40 centimeter long. So this is 40. This would just be in centimeter. It doesn't really matter. I don't need to convert both of them. Oh, I guess I could. Yeah, I'll convert it. So 40 centimeter is just 0.4 meters. We are trying to find the width and the height. So I can say W over 5 equals to 0.4 over 30. I cross multiply, I get 30W equals to 0.4 times 5. So W equals to 2 over 30. Yeah, so W equals to 1 over 15 centimeter. Meters. And then for the height, I have height over 18 equals to 0.4 over 30. We cross multiply, 30h equals to 0.4 times 18. So 30h equals 7.2, and then divide both sides by 30. We get h equals 0.24 meters. Those are the answers. Okay, that's it for chapter 3. I'll see you in chapter 4.